Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy to have you here with us today.
If you enjoy learning English in a simple and friendly way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Now, let's jump right into today's lesson.
Today's topic is something every English learner struggles with at some point.
Yes, how to remember English words easily,
Not just for one day.
but for a long time.
Many learners say, I learn new words today, and tomorrow I forget them.
If that sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone.
And the good news is, it's not because you are bad at English.
Exactly. It's usually because of how you learn words, not how smart you are.
So today, we'll show you proven and very simple methods to remember English words more easily.
This lesson is perfect for A1, A2 beginners, so don't worry, we'll speak slowly, clearly, and use easy examples.
Let's start with a very important idea. Memorizing words is not the same as learning words.
Many learners open a notebook, write a list of words, and repeat them again and again.
For example, apple, apple, apple.
Work, work, work.
Important, important, important.
This is memorizing.
And memorizing alone is very weak.
Your brain forgets this information quickly.
To remember English words easily, your brain needs meaning, connection, and use.
Let's explain this step by step.
First, meaning.
When you learn a new word, don't just learn the translation.
Learn what the word means in real life.
For example, the word tired.
But that's not enough.
Think about when you feel tired.
After work,
After studying.
late at night.
Now the word tired has a picture in your mind.
This picture helps your memory.
Let's practice together.
Imagine it's 11 p.m.
You worked all day.
Your eyes are closing.
You say, I'm tired.
Very good. This is how your brain remembers words better, with images and feelings.
Now let's talk about connection.
Words are like people.
They don't like to be alone.
If a word is alone in your notebook, your brain forgets it.
But if a word has friends, your brain remembers it.
What do we mean by friends?
Other words.
For example, the word job.
Don't learn only job.
Learn small word groups.
Get a job.
Find a job.
Good job.
Now, job is connected to other words.
This makes it stronger in your memory.
Let's do a quick practice.
Repeat after us. Get a job.
Find a job.
Good job.
Excellent.
Notice something important.
We didn't explain grammar rules yet.
But you are already learning correct English.
This is called learning in chunks.
Chunks are small pieces of language.
Your brain loves chunks.
Now let's move to the third idea, use.
If you don't use a word, you lose it.
It's like a muscle.
If you don't use your muscles, they become weak.
Words are the same.
You must use new words again and again.
But don't worry, this doesn't mean long homework.
Just small, easy practice.
For example, learn the word happy.
Don't stop there.
Make a simple sentence.
I'm happy.
Very easy.
Now make it personal.
I'm happy today.
Even better.
When you make sentences about your life, your brain pays attention.
Attention is very important for memory.
Let's practice together.
We'll give you a word.
You make a sentence in your mind.
The word is busy.
Think for a moment.
Maybe I'm busy today.
Or, I'm busy at work.
Great job.
See? Simple but powerful.
Now let's talk about a common mistake.
Many learners try to learn too many words.
10, 20, even 50 words a day.
This is too much for beginners.
Your brain gets tired.
And tired brains forget.
It's better to learn fewer words.
But learn them well.
For A1, A2 learners, 5 to 7 words a day is perfect.
But remember, not just words.
Words with meaning.
Words with connection.
Words with use.
Let's do a mini lesson now.
We'll learn 3 words together.
The words are wake up, eat, go.
Very common words.
First, wake up.
When do you wake up?
In the morning.
Good.
Sentence, I wake up at 7.
Repeat. I wake up at 7.
Next word, eat.
When do you eat?
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Sentence. I eat breakfast at home.
Repeat, I eat breakfast at home.
Last word. Go.
Where do you go?
To work, to school, home.
Sentence, I go to work in the morning.
Perfect.
Look at these sentences.
They are simple.
They are present simple tense.
We use it for daily routines.
You don't need to memorize the grammar name.
Just notice the pattern.
I wake up.
I eat.
I go.
This pattern will come again and again.
Your brain will remember it naturally.
Now, let's add one more powerful memory tool.
Sound.
Saying words out loud helps memory.
Don't just read silently.
Speak.
Even if you're alone,
Even if you feel shy.
your ears help your brain remember.
Let's say these sentences together one more time.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast at home.
I go to work in the morning.
Very nice.
If you do this every day, your vocabulary will grow.
Slowly but strongly.
In the next part of this lesson, we'll go deeper into smart vocabulary habits.
Habits that make remembering words easy and natural.
Let's keep going together. So now, let's keep building on what we've just learned.
You already know that learning words is not about memorizing long lists.
It's about meeting words again and again in a natural way.
This brings us to another very important idea.
Repetition, but smart repetition.
Many learners hear the word repetition and feel bored,
They think of writing the same word 10 times.
or reading the same list again and again.
But that's not the kind of repetition that really works.
Smart repetition means seeing and using words in different situations.
Let's look at an easy example.
The word run.
You probably know this word.
Run means to move fast with your legs.
But English words often have more than one meaning.
And this is where learners sometimes feel confused.
But don't worry, this is actually good for your memory.
Let's see how.
First sentence, I run every morning.
Here, run means exercise.
Second sentence, the bus runs every 10 minutes.
Here, run means operate.
Third sentence, my phone is running out of battery.
Now, run means finish or end.
One word.
3 situations.
Your brain starts to build connections.
And strong connections mean strong memory.
You don't need to learn all meanings in one day.
Just notice them when you see them.
Let's practice together.
Listen and repeat.
I run every morning.
The bus runs every 10 minutes.
My phone is running out of battery.
Very good.
Now let's talk about another powerful habit.
Learning words in context.
Context means situation.
Words live inside sentences, not alone.
So instead of learning the word cold alone,
Learn it inside a sentence.
it's cold today.
Simple.
But now, let's change the context.
Change the context.
I have a cold.
Same word,
Different meaning.
but the sentence helps you understand.
And remember,
Let's do a small grammar moment.
don't worry, very easy.
It's cold.
This talks about weather.
I have a cold.
This talks about health.
English uses the same word in different ways.
Context tells you the meaning.
That's why sentences are your best teacher.
Now it's your turn.
Think about the word hot,
Hot coffee.
hot weather.
Hot food. Different situations, same word.
Your brain loves patterns like this.
Another great way to remember words is through daily habits,
Small habits.
easy habits.
Habits you can really do.
For example, a 5-minute English habit.
Every morning.
Choose 3 words.
Only 3.
Make 1 sentence for each word.
Say them out loud.
That's it.
No stress.
Let's try this together now.
Our 3 words today are drink, work, relax.
First word, drink.
Sentence, I drink water in the morning.
Repeat.
Second word, work.
Sentence, I work from 9 to 5.
Repeat.
Third word, relax.
Sentence, I relax in the evening.
Great.
You just did a perfect mini lesson.
And notice the grammar.
Present simple again.
I drink.
I work.
I relax.
The same pattern comes back.
Repetition without boredom.
Now let's talk about a very common learner problem.
Understanding a word, but not using it.
You read it,
You hear it.
but you never say it.
This word stays passive.
Passive words are weak.
We want active words.
Words you can use when you speak.
Let's keep moving forward and make sure the words you learn stay with you for a long time.
Not just today,
Not just this week.
but for months and even years.
One of the strongest tools for long-term memory is visualization.
Visualization means seeing words in your mind.
When you hear a word, don't only hear the sound.
See a picture.
For example, the word market.
Don't translate it.
Close your eyes for 1 second.
Imagine a busy place.
People buying fruit.
Colors.
Sounds.
Now the word market is alive.
Your brain remembers pictures better than translations.
Let's practice with a few words.
The word rain.
Imagine dark clouds.
Water falling from the sky.
Maybe you have an umbrella.
Next word, smile.
Imagine a happy face.
Simple, right?
This small habit makes a big difference.
Another powerful memory trick is using stories.
Your brain loves stories.
Even very short stories.
Let's build one together.
3 words, wake up, late, run.
Story, I wake up late.
I run to work.
That's it.
2 sentences,
3 words.
but now they are connected.
Connection means memory.
Let's try again.
Words, tired, coffee, happy.
Story, I'm tired.
I drink coffee.
Now I'm happy.
Perfect.
You can do this every day.
Even in your head.
No notebook needed.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
They think mistakes are bad.
But mistakes are teachers.
When you make a mistake, your brain wakes up.
It pays attention.
And attention helps memory.
So don't wait to speak perfect English.
Speak simple English.
Speak now.
Let's practice speaking without fear.
Answer this question in your mind.
What did you do this morning?
Maybe, I woke up early.
Or, I ate breakfast.
Simple past.
Very basic.
Grammar note, just a little.
Wake up. Woke up.
Eat, ate.
Go. Went.
Don't memorize the list.
Just notice the change.
Your brain will remember with use.
Your brain will remember with use.
Another long-term memory habit is review.
But not long review.
Short review.
1-minute review.
Before sleep.
Think about 3 words you learned today.
Say them.
Make 1 sentence.
That's all.
Sleep helps memory.
Your brain works while you sleep.
So help it with simple review.
Let's do one final practice together.
Imagine your day tomorrow.
Morning,
Afternoon.
evening.
Say 3 simple sentences.
I wake up at 7.
I work during the day.
I relax in the evening.
These sentences use many common words.
Words you will see again and again.
The more you meet a word, the stronger it becomes.
Slowly.
Naturally.
Without stress.
Remember, learning English words is not a race.
It's a journey,
Small steps every day.
and your vocabulary will grow.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking,
Keep enjoying English.
and the words will stay with you.